Y'all, yeah.
Listening to your body, oh yeah, body. Listening to your body, oh yeah, body. Listening to your.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kiana Shay, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, it's been a long time, but I'm back. Featuring Sam apparently because he don't want to move. Like, I don't know. Y'all see the affordable wig we're going to be reviewing today is by Outre in the style Billie, and I got her in the color DRFF2. So we're gonna see how this goes. Baby, who don't look the what? Y'all, yeah. Y'all, first of all, this came out better than I expected it to. Mid doing this, I was like, oh no, like I did not like it. I don't. But once I started getting more to it, I was like, wait a minute. I had to put a little bit of water, and I did put some mousse on it to flatten it down because I got this tiny oval head, y'all, and it was overpowering everything. But who don't look good? And I was not expecting this color to look good on me, y'all. Well, to me it looked good. I don't know what y'all think, but I think it's cute. But yes, like, and I thought I wasn't gonna like figure it out and everything, but I did, only because I did put I did cut a little bit more for the parts to be wider, because I like my parts a little bit wide, like not extra skinny. I did not like that for some reason. But this came out way better than expected. She cute. Billie did her fucking thing. Excuse me. Billie did her thing. I can't lie. She, baby. Huh. So yes, I give this a 10 out of 10. I didn't get no shedding besides when I did, like I said, I got some of this out. But other than that, she is beautiful. Her curls are still here. I'm giving, this is Black Brave right here. This is Black Brave. I gotta find out that girl's name because I don't know. But she is cute. She is giving me life. I like her. Yeah, I will wear this. Oh, this is like a autumn fall look to me, honestly. But I like her. She is cute. If you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I really like Billie. Billie is cute. Billie makes me feel like I'm that bitch, honestly. So let me know what y'all think below, and tune in for next video.